Hello everyone, season 2 is ongoing and we are back with solution for challenge number 2. But before I show you the solution, let me just quickly repeat the rules and how this challenge works. So we share with you drawing of some model. For this case it is leaf-shaped plant holder, and your task is to design it in Shapr as precisely as possible and share it with us in form of screenshot. Then we compare the volume of your model and volume of our model, and if it matches, it means that you created model very precisely, and we consider that as a correct solution. However, in some cases, for example in this case, if the drawing is not completely clear, we are also going to accept screenshots with volume that is close to our volume with some degree of tolerance. And that will also be the case for following challenges. So let's see what is the solution for this challenge. First step is creating a sketch. Select a plane and select a line and draw a horizontal line of 35 millimeters. Next step is to create an arc. And let's just follow the drawing and create arc with 90 degrees and 40 millimeters radius. Next arc is 45 degrees, 35 degrees and 75 millimeters. Next one is 65 degrees and 25 millimeters. And the last one, before the last one, let's add tangent constraint. And now let's draw the last arc. It's 100 degrees and 80 millimeters radius. And now just snap point to the horizontal line and drawing is completely constrained. So now we can perform an extrude on this profile, create construction plane and start sketch on that plane. We will use this sketch to create hexagonal pattern. So pick polygon, create a hexagon and add some constraints and also dimension. It is 32 millimeters wide. And now let's define the position. So it's 10 millimeters from this edge and it's 37 millimeters from the horizontal axis. Now when we have our hexagon, let's use pattern to create more of these. Distance between two hexagons is 30 millimeters. Now let's select this vertical patterned hexagons and let's start pattern again. Move gizmo to change the direction of pattern, and again spacing should be 30 millimeters. There is this little room on the bottom of the leaf shaped profile, so we need one additional hexagon, and we also need to repeat that for the right side too. So let's select hexagons, turn on pattern, change the direction of pattern and set spacing to 30 millimeters. After we are done with that, create a rectangle around it so it's easier for us to extrude through the body that we already created. Use card to use intersection, hide sketch so it is not in our way. Next step is to use initial sketch and project it on plane. Select sketch and go to offset. Change offset option to chain. So the whole profile is offset by 3 millimeters. When that's done, we can again extrude, but in order to avoid using union as a separate tool. We are going to use card again and union it to existing body. Next step is to create another construction plane. On this plane we are going to sketch the side shape of the plant holder. First thing is to create a vertical construction line. So make it vertical and also set it to construction and lock it in place. Next step is to create an arc. Be careful when you snap the arc in opposite side. It's easier to just undo and recreate new arc than to correct the mistake. Set constraint between vertical line and arc and define dimensions of arc. It's 10 degrees and radius is 300. And another arc should also be tangential to the previous one. So let's set that constraint and let's define dimensions. Oh, actually, the angle is not important in this case. It's only important that it is going outside of the body that we already created. So this was a mistake. It could be 100 degrees, but the important step here is to define radius precisely. So it's 200 millimeters. And now I want to offset these two arcs by 7 millimeters. But when I select offset, because it's set to chain, it will also select the vertical line. So select to single and then select arcs separately and offset it by 7 millimeters. Close the profile so we can extrude it. Rotate the view and extrude it in direction of existing body. Use intersect and the hardest part is done. We have leaf shaped plant holder. We just need to add spikes on the bottom of it. Start the sketch, use a rectangle and width of it is 10 millimeters. Snap it to the bottom edge so it is completely constrained and do the same with the right side. Select two created profiles and extrude it by 30 millimeters. And we are going to use also draft tool and set it to 5 degrees. And as you can see, this is completed model. It is only one body, which was the goal, and we only used extrude as a tool. There is a volume and you can compare that volume to your solution too. Thank you for your attention. We hope that you enjoyed this challenge. Don't miss new challenge that is coming up today at 4 p.m. And don't hesitate to ask us if you have any question, to comment in topic or to send direct message to us if you have some issues with submitting your task. Thank you very much once again and good luck with new challenge.